Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid. Today, I want to give you guys a detailed review of the Air Max 1/97 Sean Wotherspoon. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I was lucky enough to be able to get my hands on Sneaker of the Year for 2018 for retail, and I thought I would give you guys a detailed review. But before we do anything, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button, make sure you slap that bell, that way you get notifications every time I drop a new video, because I drop consistent content. I appreciate you guys taking time out of your day just to pull up and watch yet another video. If you're new here, you should consider subscribing to the channel. Shout out to the whole Naughty gang and everybody who pulled up as soon as I dropped this video. And of course, I gotta give a special shout out to the whole Illumination, Team Dark Skin. With that being said, let's get right into this detailed review, guys. So let's start off with the contents of the box. Stepping outside of the norm, Nike decided to do something different with the branding with this packaging. Instead of giving us the typical Nike sportswear box, they gave us a red Nike sportswear box, and your Nike and your swoosh has this corduroy-like pattern throughout the upper to commemorate what special sneaker is in the inside of this packaging. The official name of this sneaker is the Air Max 1/97 VF SW. This is a size 12. The official colorway is light blue fury and lemon wash, and the suggested retail price on the sneaker is $160, and this sneaker was released on March 26, 2018. So let's get right into the contents of the sneaker. Inspired by the corduroy Nike hats of the 80s, this is the Air Max 1/97 Sean Wotherspoon. You have a Air Max 97 upper, and you have an Air Max 1 midsole and outsole. As you can tell from the upper, this sneaker is entirely made up of corduroy, so it will fray with time. But you have yellow at the top, and then as the pattern continues to go, you have gray, pink, blue, purple, green, and brown. You have your Nike swoosh on the inside of your sneaker as well as at your toe. You have a off-white midsole. Your outsole consists of all the colors on the upper of the sneaker: the pink, the gray, the blue, and the yellow. This sneaker comes with 4 sets of laces. On your tongue, you have your wave patch, and the sneaker actually comes with Nike swoosh patches as well. You have denim on the top of the tongue as well as on the heel of the sneaker. And on the heel, you have VA to LA. This is commemorating where Sean Wotherspoon, the owner of Round 2, he's originally from Virginia and his store started in LA. You have a red air unit on the insole of the sneaker. You have a felt-like material, kind of like velvet. It's very soft in the inside. And of course, you have your smiley face on the footbed of the sneaker. I remember Sean Wotherspoon saying that he wanted you to smile every time you put the sneaker on, and that's why he put a smiley face in the inside of the insole. But overall, this is a dope sneaker. Very hard to get your hands on. This sneaker was very limited. The retail was $160. Resale is around $650 right now. 1 through 10, I give this sneaker an 8.5. Let me know in the comment section down below. Were you lucky enough to be able to pick this sneaker up? Were you able to cop this? This sneaker actually had a couple restocks, and I was lucky to actually be able to hit on the first restock after the initial release date. And I was blessed to be able to get the Sean Wotherspoon Air Max 1/97. Glad I was able to scoop this up. This is a commemorative sneaker. 20 years from now, when this sneaker finally does a restock, prices will just be outrageous. It's only been a few months and prices are already at about $600. So if you be patient, in about another year or two, prices will be up to about $1,500. That's my prediction. But this is the Air Max 1/97 Sean Wotherspoon. Multicolor sneaker, just all over the place. Definitely a standout sneaker, and this is my candidate for sneaker of the year for 2018. I just don't see any sneaker topping this, not even the Concord 11s. I don't see anything being as popping as this sneaker, between the story behind the sneaker, the exclusivity, the colorway, just the packaging, just everything. This was the first winner of the first ever Air Max Day, so this sneaker has a special place in sneakerhead history. Salute to Sean Wotherspoon and Round 2, and this is a dope sneaker. And this was the detailed review of the Air Max 1/97 Shine Witherspoon. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone.
For this life I cannot change. In the hills, deep off in the main. M&M's, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it bang.
Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.